going to Vivo City. Yeah, from Sentosa. How much?
No, ano nang bayad? Free.
Are we going?
Sunod na. Sige, we'll take the next train.
We'll take the next train. Okay.
Na ma-picture. Picture na ano. Ano na tao?
Vivo City. Dari mo Vivo City. Ano na siya yan? We can do, di ba?
Oh, gusto niya na?
Yeah.
Ano pa naman? Sige, nag-dito next to, no? Gusto ko sakay na. Wala man.
Sumama pa to. Hindi talaga to. Let's go. Over here. Still the same. There's nothing.
They have different colors.
So, parang maliit lang siya. 2 carriages lang. Yeah. Okay. So, ito.
Hindi ko din makalapot. Sakit ako ng bagay.
Okay.
Thank you for visiting Sentosa. This train is bound for Vivo City Station. Next stop, Vivo City Station.
Sama nagalik ka stop. So ito yung kaninang umaga nakita natin train, yung nasa taxi tayo. So sa kabila makikita natin yung mga container po yan eh. So mayroon din nadadak yata dito sa mga container yan. 20 footer container. That's the Vivo City over there. We're facing the different door. I think.
I think that means that we go back to Florida.
So that's it. That's the train. So just only one stop away from Sentosa. That's it. We're already in the mall. Inside the mall. Yeah, called it the Vivo City. Okay, so pabalik ka lang mga kabay, galing ka doon, wala nang bayad. Yung pagpunta lang doon sa may bayad. So Food Republic. Ganun. Okay, wait. Okay. Saan ka pa hindi?
Dong na ancient China.
So we get a food over it. Yeah, big melon. And we get some banana. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, so toast back. Oh, we got toast back as well. Toast box na siya. Toast box. Pwede lang din maka...
Kita kong tingil.
Okay.
Gusto ko Canada rice.
Dito yun? Start window ka. Okay, so what we gonna... Oh, may... Outer mirror. So what we gonna... Let's start at the last. Okay, ano na yan? Different construction. This is Chinatown Street of Coconut Grove. Natin yung ano yung mga binibenta. Yeah, this one. Chicken serve it. Ano na guys? This one over here. Okay. Serving chicken rice. Oh my gosh. Okay, chicken. That's good. Any rice? Doggy's kitchen. Oh wow, Doggy's kitchen is nice.
You have that? Beef. No, chicken.
Hello. Okay. Mr. Fried Rice. Talagang marami ka mapagpilian dito. Ayan. Oh, ito seafoods, prawn meat. Signature noodles sa prawn. Oh, that's not too good as well. Turkish prawn. And the signature big prawn laksa. Okay, that's so good. Pork belly, ganun. Wow, pinang sa libangan. Ito sa nga. Okay. So, Chinese na sa Captain Chicken pa. Okay. So, may nakita tayo doon yung Hanay rice kanina. Okay. So, talagang food. Yeah, Korean cuisine naman ko. Stone pot, bibimbap, Chinese stew. So tong hot pot snail. Oh, snail fried noodles. That's good. This is a chicken one. Ami rice, Indian one. Okay, ang dami mga pagpilian. So, yeah, we have at least that we need to try the whole one. So, alright. That's it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Over here. Okay, this will be okay. This one is good. Okay, very good. Hong Kong goes. Okay. Did you ready? Where you want to go? That's it. Where's on it? Sunday rice stir fries. Yeah, there's no Hananay. There's no Hananay rice. Yeah, this one roasted and pork rice. The Hananay rice is over there. I will show you. Yeah, over there. Look. You can have some. Look. We're gonna get some of those. And then, this is Hananay rice. Look. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Hananay rice. So, drumstick rice, boneless steamed chicken, bowl style chicken rice. And then we're gonna get some.
So dual style chicken rice. I think I'll try that later.
Hello. We got this. Hananay rice. Hananay rice. You got the one.
You want get the one?
You got that, yeah? Okay.
You want the small size or big size? Small, big size is like more chicken.
So this is the one, isn't it?
This is the drumstick.
Drumstick. What is the best?
This one also fresh.
This one is the best.
Chicken rice.
This is only chicken rice is the same as Hanoi rice, yeah?
Yeah, this one for the breast. This one is for the drumstick.
Drumstick.
Yeah.
But they still call it Hanoi rice.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you want?
I like to have chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Right.
Okay.
You got then one more.
And
Yeah,
then
Mom said she wants chicken rice.
okay, so I think I got this one. And
Small one
then-
or big size?
So one of this, and then this one is
This one only the drumstick only now. The defend the pricing already.
there's nothing that no ribs anymore.
No, I mean I got this one. No, actually got this one is a breast one, but because we are only the drumstick.
So you don't have this one as well. You
we
don't
have already. This one we have. Steam we have.
Okay, so we got one of this, one of this.
This one you want?
And this one as well, please.
Total 3 lah.
So 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Okay. Both steam one both steam chicken
What is it?
I mean like both. Oh.
All together,
steam.
yeah.
Both steam one
I got this mommy one.
This rice is okay, I think. Rice and prawns. You can select one. How much is rice and prawns? $6. This one 180. 180. 180 and $6. 180 and $6. Mega 190 maybe $6.
Is this?
What is it?
You can order. You go ahead.
Yeah? Okay, just veg for me. No rice, just veg. One that and then the one, yeah. And then the next one. That's it. Is that eggplant, yeah?
Yes.
And then some. What is the best? Honey chicken. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Strawberry, one honey chicken, 780.
That's good. Yeah, you'll be in. How much is it? The 7, yeah?
780.
Just say hello.
Yeah, hello. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So that's nyong.
Honestly,
Yeah.
muna sa ganyan style, no need.
Hindi ka di magkaon yun.
Picturean mo kay toast box. Ito, lagi na nga milk tea.
Tapos may ano pa tos lagan ito, may prawn. Lagtos yung prawn namin siya. Ano naman lagtos?
Robal? Lagi dagda.
Thank you. Wow. So this one, ano siya
Ate,
nito?
ito, nagit ang milk tea mo
Milk
nga.
tea. Okay, so this is the
Hindi
milk
na
tea.
3-in-1.
Yeah. Pure. Pure?
What's this deal? Just quite a
Oh wow. It's very nice.
What is that? That's soup.
Oh, milk tea.
Oo, nagit yung milk tea.
Oh wow.
Authentic.
Authentic na, authentic. Dara sa Japan. Okay.
What is it called? Patok na.
So let's see. It's it.
Kakawatan.
So yan. We'll try the soup first. The soup with my rice.
Healthy siya yan. Steam guys.
So yung Hananay rice pala with the chicken dapat steam and roast. So yung steam hindi siya ayan. Yeah?
Hindi na wala mo
The steam. So Medyo malamig.
Namin chicken ang rice niya.
Pero, sarap. That's their, the rice. First time, kumain ng Hananay rice.
Mabuhang pa lang.
Ang ilaya. Yung amoy niya, parang amoy rice. Hindi. May something, may something.
Spicy. Oh my God. Wala, meat na
Mm.
tilawin siya na
That's very good. Tapos, bakal ko ni kay hambal mo, hindi ka magdote lang ka. Omoy ko mabakal mo bla. This is the ganyan. Yeah. So this one is the aubergine. Hindi na kahanga. Aubergine. At least my greens. Oh wow. That's good.
I thought you eat chicken rice.
What is this, baby?
Daksa.
Spicy soup. It's nice.
Is it spicy? Ah, this is the laksa.
Daksa.
Oh wow.
Ang balon ka ko.
Ang
Abot mo din sa Asia.
Hananay rice.
Pag-abot mo sa Pinas, only rice.
Hananay rice lang okay na eh. Ang bango. Grabe ka, kahamot.
Kamot mo lang ka doon. Again.
This is very nice.
The first time sa Hananay rice. It's good. Very nice. That's good.
Is it getting cold?
Yeah.
Hari-garing toast ba?
This is the chicken.
I like this one. And this is the rice.
Naibrato lang yan. This one is only $7. This one, this free.
Huh? Free?
Tatlo na siya. It's only 6. This one, the tray, is only like 20 something, baby, isn't it? Damit. Damit.
Why mo gitudo sa iya ang
Mga kabays, para hindi ko makuha ng lasa ng ano, ng kanin, Hananay rice. So, Hananay rice. Para siyang puto, pero hindi man siya matamis. Ang bango niya eh. Siguro may ito eh. May lemongrass. So something na, pero hindi naman siya lemongrass. Something na,
pandan o wag ano?
something different.
Si Julie do, gin-studyhan niya ginawa.
So, natikman na natin yung Hananay rice. Siguro makapagluto na tayo yun.
Pag-abutan din naman na sila ba? Gusto kong gumawa. Pero may lutuan ang gusto
Sarap ng gulay.
Ang luluto ko sa kanisa kabalay. Ang tinatago to sa amon. Wala pa na luto. Basta sa nasa rep. Wala.
Okay?
Ang kapak ko yan. May spicy.
Oo nga, ito ko balik. Dati nakatilaw na ko. Pero kung hindi ko tilaw,
Pwede mo man sa ma-search kung ano gid lang.
Basado na.
Kaya to siya yan. Ready na siya. Talaga? Talaga? Hindi yan. Kailangan na. Makalit kaya. Kasi may screen ka. May screen ka.
very nice. Hananay rice. So, that's it mga kabay. Hanggang sa muli. So, tapusin mo na namin kumain. Okay? So, what do you think, baby, with your food today?
Very happy.
Happy.
Tutukway.
Okay.
Photos, coconut cake. Amo na siya.
Okay. So, that's the one. Anong ngalan na?
Coconut cake.
Coconut cake. Okay, that's a coconut cake over there. Tutu coconut cake. Okay. Alright. So how's your rice one? Good? Alam si tour guide namin, no? So that's it, kaka-vibes. So that's for our dinner tonight. So once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you, Singapore. Bye. Legit na ano ni Mami? Legit na ano niya?
Milk tea.
Ha?
Tea tarik.
Ang tawag?
Tea tarik.
Tea tarik. Milk tea. Very nice. Milk tea. Alright. Sige, isa na lang ganyan.
Pero cake, ang cake nila.
Ayan, so thank you.
Paano pa nakita ang nila? Dahil mga lapis.
So this is the coconut cake, yeah?
Paano mo nakakita na ano ba yun? Luluto.
Oh, may peanut.
Oo, ang peanut niya is ay coconut.
Mabalaan mo ginawa peanut. So, first time din ako kumain nito. Coconut cake.
May laman na
It's nice.
dessert.
Dessert nila ha.
Mga kakanin.
Makanin.
Ano ka may desserts ko? Mga kakanin.
Kamay kaya hindi siya matamis.
Ito wala ko sa authentic ba?
That's very good.
May nga yan, ito mo, pinagay mo kay...
Ayot ko.
Wala na ito na mga nililigan, hindi na balan, hindi na makakita. Ang sabi ko lang ako makakita.
Okay, that's it. Hawk. Okay, so
Pronounce properly, Hawker.
another term here in Singapore. So food court.
Hawkers.
Hawkers.
The American Hooters.
As in it's A-W-K-E-R. Yeah. The hawker. So yung kainan pala, kainan. So yung hawkers na yan. Okay. So yan, tapos na. Di pa dinaanan ng Bagyo. Naubos to.
Gusto na si Toto Queen. Ano ka na?
Okay, what is Singapore gani? Main na to explanation niya gina.
Unconscious na lang ako.
Singapore is a diverse
Diverse
diverse culture.
Diverse culture. Diverse siya. So they have the Malays. The Singaporean Muslims. And then they have the Chinese. Singaporean. And then
Babuliman ko
the
kamay.
Indian also. If those who grown up here are like really Singaporean, but those like their ancestors and whatnot, you consider they still a bit like those Indian. But India, they have different dialects. China,
Mabilin.
different dialects. Ilonggo, Iligay na.
Okay. That's it. Hanggang pa na pa.